In this video, we'll go over Ethereum name service. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, ENS to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Ethereum name service? Ethereum name service is a distributed, open, and extensible naming system based on the Ethereum blockchain. ENS converts human-readable Ethereum addresses like John ETH into the machine-readable alphanumeric codes you know from wallets like MetaMask. The reverse conversion, associating metadata and machine-readable addresses with human-readable Ethereum addresses, is also possible. The goal of Ethereum name service is to make the Ethereum-based web easier to access and comprehend for humans, similar to how the Internet's domain name service makes the Internet more accessible. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Ethereum name service has a one-of-a-kind value proposition due to being the first service that transfers the domain name service to the decentralized Web3. ENS is not a company but an open-source project that calls itself an open public utility that belongs to the company. Essentially, it aims to become a piece of infrastructure as vital to Web3 as the DNS is to the Internet. Moreover, ENS does not have a single point of failure thanks to blockchain technology and is, by design, more censorship-resistant and secure. One of the main obstacles to the mass adoption of blockchain technologies has been their accessibility and ease of use, which ENS aims to remedy. Instead of using machine-readable albeit inconvenient alphanumeric codes, users can receive any crypto or NFT to a short and easy-to-remember link. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $61 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.